Today I'm demonstrating how to use Teacher Messenger. I am logged in as a Maryville elementary teacher, and I am going to select my structure. I clicked up here on the name of the school, and my structure is K-5 because I teach K-5. If I taught Head Start, I would use this one, or preschool AM or PM, I would choose them. But I teach K-5, so I'm going to choose K-5. And I'm going to go to the Message Center, which is at the top of my screen, and I'm going to do New. This is a new message, and I have to decide what kind of message is this. Is this a class message? Is this a grades message? Or is this a missing assignment message? This is a class message. I want to go to my whole class. The user group means where do I want to save this message to when I'm finished? When I'm finished, it will save this message so I can use it again, or so I can use the template. The template says new because I don't have a saved message, so I'm going to do new. I want to always check inbox, email, and voice. What these mean are the inbox. Parents that have a parent portal message system will get the inbox message in their parent portal. When they open it up, it'll say you have a message from the teacher. Email is just that. They'll get an email message too. Voice is just that. They'll get a voice message on their phone or their cell phone, whatever they have selected to get it. The delivery date. I want it sent today. And what time? I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click at 4:00 p.m. The reason I'm clicking at 4:00 p.m. is I think it's better to send messages after school has been let out. That way you don't get all the questions during class. The message subject is, I'm going to type field trip. We're going to send this message about a field trip. We're going to record a message, and I'm going to click here. When I click here, it's going to open up a website. This website is where we go to record messages. I just cleared it out because I had two there already, and I don't want to get them confused with the one I'm doing, so I just click clear. I'm going to do record, and it's going to give me directions on what to do. It says to record a new message, dial this number. So I have to dial that number on my phone. And it's going to give me prompts as to what to do.
Welcome to the campaign setup voice recording system. Please enter your PIN, followed by the pound sign.
My PIN number's right here, so I'm going to enter that on my phone, and I'm going to hit the pound sign.
Please record your message after the beep. When you are finished recording, press pound.
This is to alert you that our school is that Maryville is going on a field trip tomorrow, Thursday, October 30th, and your child will be attending this field trip. Thank you. And I'm going to hit pound.
To record your message, press 1. To listen to your message,
I'm going to listen to my message.
2.
This is to alert you that our school that Maryville is going on a field trip tomorrow, Thursday, October 30th, and your child will be attending this field trip. Thank you.
I like the way that sounds.
To record your message, press 1. To listen to your message, press 2. To save your message, press 3.
So I'm going to press 3.
Recording saved. Please enter your PIN.
Then I'm going to hang up because I really don't need to enter my PIN again because I'm not going to create another message. So I'm going to say no, I'm not going to create another message. My message is now on this website. It is not on my computer, so I can't use it yet. So I have to download it to my computer. I'm going to look here in this little blue streak, and the first one is ULaw format. ULaw is not a format that we use in our county, so we're going to skip that one, and we're going to go straight to the next one, which is download the file in WAV format. WAV is what we use. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to say I want it to save my file. I'm going to click OK, and my file is going to download. I'm going to click up here, and I'm going to see where my file went. It went to my computer, the C drive, users, L. Duncan, downloads. And it was this one right here, 194-4932. 194, I'm going to write that down, 194-43920. I'm going to write that down because I have to come back and get that file, and it would be easy to get that file mixed up. So I'm going to come back and get it. So I'm going to click the red X. I can now X out of this because I'm finished with it. My file is now on my computer. I don't need to be here anymore. I'm going to scroll down and it says add your WAV file. I'm going to search for it. There it is right there. My computer opened to it because that's where it closed from. I'm going to open that file and it's going to download. I'm going to then type the same thing. This is to alert you that our class at Maryville will be going on a field trip to the zoo tomorrow, and your student will be attending. Then I'm going to do, I could save this message at this point, or I could test this message at this point. If I click test, I can have it sent to my email and my phone number, and I can hear what it sounds like. That I usually do that when I do a test, when I do a message. However, if I didn't want to test it, I could say next. And I could choose who do I want to get this message. We're in term 2, so it automatically highlighted term 2. Do I want it to go to my grade 1 homeroom? Do I want it to go to my grade 2 homeroom? In elementary school, usually our homerooms are the same classes that we have: English, reading, math. So I only want to choose one of these. I don't want to choose English and reading and math because it's the same students. They would get the message multiple times. Grade 1 homeroom and grade 2 homeroom probably covers all of my students. Now, if I had different math class and they were also going on my field trip, I would want to choose my math class. Then I'm going to say, who do I want to get this message? I want the guardians to get it. And if students have an email or a phone number in Infinite Campus, I want them to get it too. I'll do students just in case. Then I'm going to click next. Here's my message. This is what it says. This is my WAV file. This is how many people are going to get this message. 91 people will receive this message. 50 will get it in their process inbox. That means 50 will get it on portal. 44 will get it in email, and 110 phone calls will be made. I could do review recipients, and that would open up everyone that's going to get this message. When I'm reviewing recipients, I also have the option to uncheck someone. Maybe I know one of my students isn't going, and I can uncheck his guardians, and I can uncheck him. Make sure you review your recipients. I'm not going to do that today because I don't want the students' information to be seen. But make sure you, as a teacher, review your recipients. I can then send from right here. I'm not going to send today because I don't really want to send this because we're really not going to the zoo tomorrow, and this really isn't my class. But if you were doing this, you would send at this point after you review your recipients. That's all on how to send a voice message from Class Messenger.